You can see that on the third floor.
The BRAVE Committee stands for the Beaverton Representative Art and Visual Expression Committee. It was a committee that we created to make sure that we could bring in aspects of art, wayfinding, and history into the building through a visual expression piece. The BRAVE Committee has teachers, staff members, community members. We have students on that committee.
I'm on the wayfinding subcommittee just because I think that that's also crucial. I think it's really important to find different ways to either through symbolism or color help people find their way, especially people that speak multiple different languages. We don't have to look like an office building. It's not an office building. It will be a dynamic building filled with all sorts of different people. So we need to acknowledge that and get as creative as the people are that will be housed in this space.
It's important for the district to have the BRAVE Committee to make sure we hear as many voices as we can. I'm really excited to see the ideas that are floating out there and to see what we're going to be able to incorporate into the project to really make the building be unique in its own way